Hi guys, so I'm having a clear out before the kids go back to school, and I thought I'd start with the fridge. We've got shopping coming today. I'm cleaning the whole fridge and I thought I would bring you along. Okay, so first step, empty the fridge.
We need to take a picture about the fridge.
I'm using the Method antibacterial spray. So I'm just going to spray with the Method antibacterial spray, scummy, and then wipe it all away, dry it down, and then close the fridge. Putting everything back. Hi everyone, so I'm about to put my food away. Okay, so here is my finished fridge. Milk in the door, drinks, fruit and veg down the bottom, raw meat, cooked meat, and then mixture. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. And like I said, just let me know what you want me to clean next. Pop it in the comments below, and I will do that one next week for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.